Hello everyone, I am Samrat Casey from grade 8 Indravati, and today I am going to give you a brief explanation about compound microscope. So what is a compound microscope? A compound microscope is an instrument that helps us to see magnified images of small specimens on a glass slide. So why do we call it compound microscope? We call it a compound microscope because it has two lenses which helps us to see magnified images of specimens. So some characteristics of compound microscopes are: it has two or more convex lenses, it shows two-dimensional images. So you can see here, this is a compound microscope or electric microscope. Now I am going to explain you about the parts of the microscope. As you can see here, this is ocular lens which helps us to see the stage and the specimens. You can see here, this is the handle which helps us to get a better grip of the microscope. This is fine adjustment which helps us to adjust the stage of the microscope. This is coarse adjustment which helps us to adjust the microscope up and down. Now you can see here, this is the stage where we put our slides. Now this is a light microscope or compound microscope, so there is a switch of this microscope. And you can see here, this is the brightness adjustment. As you can see here, I have a permanent slide of animal cell. Now I am going to show you how to focus it in the microscope. Here you can see the focused part of the animal cell. I hope that you understand about compound microscope and how to focus specimens. Thank you for watching this video.